Today, I'm currently visiting the villages at Minneola Hills. It's a community being built by Meritage Homes, and I want to show you this model home really quick. It's the Willow. So the model home we're looking at today, it's called the Willow. It's 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, a little bit over 2,000 square feet. Ooh, the sun is killing me, as you can see, and it has 2-car garage. Let's check it out.
Oh boy.
The Willow is a 2-story single-family home. As you walk into the house, you see the stairs to go into the second floor, and then you have a hallway that takes you to the dining room and kitchen combo. This open floor concept is perfect for those family gatherings, and it's perfect for entertaining. As we continue the tour, we come into this area which will take you to the garage door and the laundry area. Subscribe. I post weekly videos about our lifestyle here in Orlando. I show you restaurants, fun places to go, and spend time with the family in more video tours. For those people who love this distribution, the master suite is located on the first floor. And believe it or not, there are a lot of people that prefer the master suite on the first floor. As you can see now, we are entering the master bathroom and the closet. I'm curious to know, what's your preference? Do you prefer the master suite on the first floor or the second floor with the rest of the other rooms? Let me know your preference in the comments. Now that we are on the second floor, you can see that the roof has an opening, and it's because Meritage Home spray foamed the attic, providing you more air conditioner temperatures, better temperatures, especially here in Florida. As you can see, the second floor has a loft area which is perfect for maybe movie nights, or maybe have your own office, or maybe study room for the kiddos. The high ceilings provide the home with an airy feeling, a lot of natural light coming into the house, which is perfect. Time to check that backyard. Are you the one who enjoys cooking and grilling in the outside?
I'm not angry anymore, just a little bit let down. I'm not angry anymore, just a little upset now.
Thank you for watching my video. Please give it a thumbs up, and I invite you to look at the other model home tours that I did recently. I'm gonna leave the link in the description below.